Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today we will continue our tutorials about Python and I will show you how you can do some simple user interface in Python. So let's begin. I will do this tutorial in the fastest way possible, but I will try to explain it as well. So let's begin. I think I'll just do a really simple program and I'm going to use if statements, user inputs and if and defined. So let's start. Let's say that we are going to make a program that the user says how much time he plays on his computer and what he should do to do other stuff or to stop the addiction of playing too much computer games. So let's say choice equals input how many hours. Oops, let's do like this because then we can do options. How many hours do you play um do you play each day? Let's say that option 1 it's 1 hour, option 2 it's 2 3 hours, and say that option 3 it's more than 3 hours. Now let's use this variable called choice uh, to use if statements. So if choice equals 1, let's print like uh let me think. You play a wait, healthy amount of time. If choice, because it's in between the else and the if, equals 2. Let's say that you should oops, you should consider do more outdoor activities. And now let's give the user a choice. Let's say that like choice 1 equals user input. Do you want to know what should you do to stop your gaming addiction? And let's say that option 1 it's yes, and let's say that option 2 is no. So now we are going to use another if statement in this elif. If choice 1 equals 1, let's say that you will run let me think of a name. Main 2. And let's say if you run if choice equals 2, we will say that we will exit the program. Now we have these main 2, but we are going to get there. Let's just do the elif Oh, let me just think. If choice, elif choice equals 3, print you play too much time on your computer. And now let's just copy paste what we have done here. But let's just delete this, and here let's put main3. Now we have all the information that we want. Let me just put here this so the program doesn't close. Now we are going to use what we started to say in the video, how to use if statements, defined, and combine and user input on Python. So if the choice is this, is 1, we will print this. So if the user selects this number, this will happen. If the user does this, we will do here this, and the user has the option if he wants to know what he should do. But here the define function of Python will come in handy. So we could actually use more ifs in the in this elif bracket, but in a simple way and in a easier way and least confusing way, we can use define. So let's define main2 like this, and let's say main2 it's this option. So we will say try to do some outdoor activities with your friends and family. And now let's input so the program doesn't close. Now let's use the other define that we have to do, which is define3, main3. And let's print you should really try to do something else, like going to the park with your friends, for example. Like this. And let's just put input now. It should be working. Let me just, I remember something right here. You play too much time on your computer. Yep, let's try it. So, how many hours do you play each day? Man, I'm going to be honest, I play like 2 or 3 hours. So, I'm going to select 2. So, this is the user interface. And as you can see, the if statement says me this. So, if I select 2, this happens. So, it's in interface. And now, do you want to know what should you do to stop your gaming addiction? Yes, I would. Try to do some outdoor activities with your friends and family. As you can see, the user interface is working so well. This is a good example to show you how you can do user interface using three simple functions. You can do simple user interface with just inputs and if statements, but if you want to do other options inside the if statements, you should do use the define function, because it's easier, it's less confusing, and it looks better on the code actually. You can play around with it. I will leave the source code in the description. Please leave a like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below about what you thought about this really fast tutorial. And I see you guys next time.